Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is Apex. Apex is a strongly typed object-oriented programming language that allows developers to execute flow and transaction control statements on Salesforce servers in conjunction with calls to the API. Apex enables developers to add business logic to most system events, including button clicks, related record updates, and Visualforce pages. Apex code can be initiated by web service requests and from triggers on objects. It allows developers to extend the Salesforce platform by writing their own custom business logic into the platform. Features of Apex. We can perform DML operations. Apex provides the ability to insert, update, delete, and query records in Salesforce. It supports SOQL, Salesforce Object Query Language, and SOSL, Salesforce Object Search Language for querying Salesforce data. Object-oriented programming. Apex supports classes, interfaces, and object-oriented programming concepts such as inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, and abstraction. Strongly typed. Apex is a strongly typed language, meaning that variables must be declared with a specific data type. This helps catch errors at compile time. Trigger support. Apex can be used to write triggers, which are pieces of code that execute before or after certain database events such as inserting, updating, deleting, or undeleting the records. Batch processing. Apex supports batch processing, which allows for processing large volumes of records asynchronously. This is useful for operations that need to handle large datasets. Governor limits. Apex runs in a multi-tenant environment, means runtime engine strictly enforces limits so that runaway Apex code or processes don't monopolize shared resources. Integration capabilities. Apex provides built-in support for integrating with external systems through web services, callouts, and REST or SOAP APIs. Testing and debugging. Apex includes a robust framework for writing and running test methods to ensure code quality. Salesforce requires a minimum of 75% code coverage for deploying Apex code to production. Debugging tools and logs are also available to help developers troubleshoot issues. Let's see an example. Here we are creating a class by the name demo account and method to update the description field on an account object. So on the account standard object we have description field. So that field we are going to update. Public static void update account description. This is the name of method and we are passing id, account id, and string demo. So account, creating variable acc and writing the query, select id, name, description from account where id equals to account id what we are passing from here, and limit 1 means we need only one record. So in the description we are putting the variable what we are providing from here. So finally we are updating acc means account. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. So to interact with our developer console, we need to click on this setup gear icon. Then we have to click on developer console. So by clicking on developer console, we will redirect to a new console. So first show at the initial time we are getting blank. So for creating the classes, we need to click on file. From here, new, we are going to create classes, triggers, visual force pages, visual force component, static resource, lightning application, lightning component, lightning interface, lightning events, lightning tokens. So while clicking on new, we can create any of these, and while clicking on open, it will open the created class, triggers, visual force pages, anything what we had created, that we are going to open from here. Coming to debug, there is a open execute anonymous window. Here we are going to write the small piece of code, and it's easy to check the result what we are getting. So for now we have to create a class. So click on new apex class, provide the name for that particular class. So here I am going to provide demo account. Click OK. So this we are getting public class, class name. So in the demo account class, we are going to update the description field for the given standard account object. So we have to write public static void, and this one is the name, update account description. We are passing ID, account ID, and a string by the name demo. So we are creating the ACC variable of account and writing the SOQL query, select ID, name, description from account, where ID, account ID what we are passing from here, and limit is 1. So we are only retrieving one record. Then we are updating the description ACC, what the variable we are passing from here. We are updating the description, and finally update ACC. So just save this class. So to execute this class, we have to copy this demo account, and we have to click on debug, open execute anonymous window, paste the class name dot update account description, and we have to pass a value. So also before executing, let's see on the account object what the data is available. So just click on app launcher, search for account, click accounts. So for now we are going to create a new account. Demo account with no description. So description field is here. We are not providing anything. Click save. After getting saved this record demo account, here we are getting the ID of this particular account. So just copy this ID and coming to our developer console anonymous window. Here we are going to pass the ID, comma, and description I am giving here demo, semicolon. Just I am selecting this and execute highlighted. So it's done. Execute anonymous apex, and this is the ID demo account, and update account description ID string. We are passing both ID and in the string demo we are passing. So we are getting the aggregation here. Our query is running. This is the ID and name is demo account, and here is the ID. So SQL query 1, it is performing number of rows updating 1, and DML statement 1 is getting performed number of rows affected 1. So let's come back to our demo account. Just refresh this, reload the page. Click on details. We are at demo account. So in the description we are seeing demo. Thank you.